Hi friends, welcome back to my channel iQOO. In this one, I'm going to do the Battlegrounds mobile game 90 FPS gameplay test in the POCO F3 GT device. Yes friends, right now I'm trying to use the POCO F3 GT and I did install the config file, and sometimes the config file doesn't work properly, so I need to find out GFX file. There are so many applications available in the Play Store where you can actually try them. So the main reason is because there is no particular application which is actually working perfectly. I need to keep on changing friends. If I try to show you one application, that application may not work. So next application again I need to give you the feedback. So that's the reason. Make sure to try so many applications from the Play Store regarding the GFX file. Right now I was able to get the 90 FPS. As you can see, using the GFX file name, which is the GFX for Battlegrounds mobile game 2022. You can see the temperatures right now, it's about 32 degrees Celsius in the beginning of starting the test. You can clearly see not bad. Now I'll try to play the game for about couple of minutes, and then again we'll try to check the temperatures, what's happening in this device, and how about the triggers as well. Triggers are working completely alright or not. All these aspects I'll try to check in this entire video. So first let me do the normal team deathmatch test. Then I'll try to do the bootcamp drop test after some time. In this way we will be able to find out exactly what's going on with the real-time FPS meter. So hopefully the POCO team, they should definitely update it 90 FPS in this device, but I'm not sure whether they will be doing it or not regarding 90 FPS. Right now, as you can see from the real-time FPS statistics, we are getting about 90 FPS exactly. So this is the thing about the real-time FPS. It's not that not that much visible, I would say, a little bit. All of the triggers are working fantastic in this device. No, not much problem. As you can see friends, overall the gameplay looks pretty smooth, right? So this is a quick test friends. Right now after playing for only about that 3 minutes and 4 minutes of time, temperature increased to 37 degrees. From 30 degrees it did increase a little bit. So not bad with the overall FPS. So let's see. So now I'll try to do the bootcamp drop test as well. We'll try to see exactly in the bootcamp. So exactly what's happening in the bootcamp, I'll try to do it. So I got used to this kind of Realme gaming triggers, but I'm not sure why. Let's try with the Realme gaming triggers for some time. So this Realme gaming triggers I got a little bit kind of used after playing a lot of so many times. So only for a few minutes I'll try to play the game and then I'll try to end up this video. I think we're gonna lose it. So yes, let's go to the lobby and let's try with the boot camp. Let's see how much the FPS will be dropping in the boot camp. Let's go here. Right now, as you can see, friends, let's do the drop test exactly in the boot camp. So you should be able to see real-time FPS statistics. We are getting about anywhere kind of close to 89 and 86 FPS. We are getting 79. It dropped to 79 as well. Little bit you can clearly see 79 FPS. 87, 89, 83 as well, 83, 84 also, 68, it dropped to 68, 73. So friends, FPS is kind of decreasing a little bit when I'm trying to do the drop test. This friends is a quick demonstration of playing the boot camp in the battlegrounds mobile game 90 FPS. Overall, the temperature did increase up to 39.8 degrees Celsius, so it's kind of close to 40 degrees just for playing about 8 minutes of time and 10 minutes of time. So that's the reason why the Dimensity 1200 processors are not getting any kind of 90 FPS. Maybe because of the heating problems, I think so. It is slightly more heating than the Snapdragon processors. That might be the reason why they're not giving still any kind of 90 FPS for us.
Team match, let's go.
The blue team has scored for the first time.
Reloading.
Right now, as you can see, it's maintaining 88 FPS.
Cover me. Dead.
Killing spree for the blue team. Killing spree for the blue team.
So thank you for watching this video and see the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. And final temperature did reach up to 40.4 degrees Celsius just for playing about 9 minutes of time. And meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned and bye.